Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Permission to introduce myself. My name is Tiara Putri Amrina with NPM 224111034 from Management Class 22A. Here I will present the 4C material, namely about risk and return. Here I will explain definition. Risk is the possibility of an event occurring that could affect the achievement of an entity's goals. So, risk is a situation that is uncertain and there is an element of danger, outcome, or consequence that could occur due to ongoing process for future events. All individual and organizational activities definitely contain risks because they contain an element of uncertainty. These risks can occur because there is no or lack of information about things that will happen in the future, whether they are beneficial or detrimental. In the Big Indonesian Dictionary, risk is an unpleasant consequence, harmful dangers of an act or action. Definition: returns. Returns is the money earned or lost from investment activities over a period of time. Simply put, return is the profit that investors get from their investment activities. The returns obtained can be represented in the form of monetary value or can also be in the form of a purchase obtained in a certain time period. The returns that investors get are not always in a positive direction, but can also move in a negative direction. Returns that move in a negative direction mean that the invested capital is experiencing loss. For this reason, a fairly common expression in the world of investment is risk return, which means that when the investment risk is higher the potential rate of return that an investor will get. Definition: risk and return. Risk can be said to be an opportunity for a loss to occur. In terms of investment, the loss is a loss of money. Risk means the possibility of an undesirable outcome occurring or the opposite of the desired one. Meanwhile, the rate of return in the profit that will be obtained or can be interpreted compensation. In the case of investment, this compensation is obtained from inflation, an increase in the price of goods. The relationship between risk and return is as follows. 1. It is linear or unidirectional. 2. The higher the rate of return, the higher the risk. 3. The greater the assets we place in investment decision, the greater the risks are received from the investment. 4. Linear conditions are only possible in normal markets. Investment risk. Investment risk is a condition where investors have the opportunity to experience loss due to investment activities that undertake. In other words, the returns obtained are not in accordance with what was previously expected. Usually, the risk of a product is directly proportional to its return. Types of investment risk. A. Systematic risk. Systematic risk is a type of external risk that cannot be avoided or controlled. This type can affects all effects and cannot be eliminated by diverse precision. Interest rate risks in the arises due to increase in interest rates. Even though interest rates increase, investment profits and the value of interest-bearing bonds will experience a significant decrease, and vice versa. To inflation risks, inflation or following is included in systematic risk. Purchasing power risk is the risk that is due to inflation. As a result, the cash value of an investment today will not have much value in the future. This has the potential to reduce people purchasing power due to rising price of goods. 3. Currency exchange rate risk. Forex. Currency exchange rate risk is a type of investment risk that occurs due to change in foreign exchange rate. This will make the conversion value of forex currency to rupiah not match expectations, especially if the value falls. Types of investment risks. 3. Currency exchange rate risk. Currency exchange rate risk a type of investment. 4. Commodity risk. Commodity risk is the risk that arises due to change in the price of certain commodities. Usually this is influenced by other risk factors, such as price fluctuation or supply and demand. 5. Country risk. Country risk or political risk in risk that varies due to change in a country legal regulation. As a result, yields can decrease or even disappear. Types of investment risk. B. Unsystematic risk. These risks can be avoided or controlled in the form of an investment portfolio or diversification. The following is included in unsystematic risk. 1. Liquidity risk is the risk that arises due to difficulty providing cash within a certain period of time. Usually, this happens when one party cannot sell its assets because there are few interested parties or they are unable to meet with other parties. 2. Reinvestment risk. Reinvestment risk or refinance risk, the risk that arises when income from an investment asset requires investors to reinvest it. It is very likely that the returns will be lower when reinvesting. 3. Business risk is a type of investment risk that is closely related to the business of the company in which a person invests. That's why it is very important for investors to know the company profile in depth, one of which is profit. Thus, I can convey more or less. I apologize if there are wrong words that are spoken, and for your attention, I thank you very much. Finally, I would like to say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.